Try this. Chicken saltimbocca with lemon risotto. A unique Italian dish that combines the classic flavors of saltimbocca, traditionally made with veal, and a creamy, zesty risotto. Rice. Chicken saltimbocca with lemon risotto. Ingredients. For the chicken saltimbocca: 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, butterflied and pounded thin, 4 slices prosciutto, 4 fresh sage leaves, 1/2 cup all-purpose flour for dredging, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 2 tablespoons unsalted butter, 1/2 cup dry white wine, 1/2 cup chicken broth, juice of 1/2 lemon. For the lemon risotto: 1 cup arborio rice, 3 cups chicken broth, kept warm, 1/2 cup dry white wine, 1 small shallot, finely chopped, 2 tsp unsalted butter, 1/2 cup grated Parmesan cheese, zest and juice of 1 lemon, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions. 1. Prepare the chicken saltimbocca. Lay out the pounded chicken breasts and place a sage leaf on each piece. Wrap each chicken piece with a slice of prosciutto, pressing lightly so it adheres. Lightly dredge each piece in flour, shaking off excess. Heat olive oil in a pan over medium heat. Sear the chicken for 3 to 4 minutes per side until golden. Remove and set aside. Deglaze the pan with white wine. Then add chicken broth and lemon juice. Reduce slightly and whisk in butter to create a sauce. 2. Make the lemon risotto. In a saucepan, sauté the shallot in butter until translucent. Add arborio rice and toast for 1 to 2 minutes. Pour in white wine and stir until absorbed. Add warm broth, 1 ladle at a time, stirring frequently until creamy and fully cooked, about 18 to 20 minutes. Stir in lemon zest, juice, parmesan, and season with salt and pepper. 3. Plate and serve. Spoon the creamy risotto onto a plate. Place the chicken saltimbocca on top and drizzle with the pan sauce. Garnish with extra sage leaves or a sprinkle of Parmesan. This dish balances the salty crispiness of the prosciutto with the creamy citrusy risotto. An elegant and unique Italian meal. Would you like a wine pairing suggestion? Tea.